how to fix the verification problem on WhatsApp. Hello guys, and welcome back to this new video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here, and then go to the apps, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on WhatsApp, and now it will take you to this app informations page. All what you have to do here is just click on the data usage and make sure to enable all those options. Enable them and then go back, click on the permissions, and make sure also to do the same thing, enable all the permissions. Go back, click here on this option, it's called force stop, and that's it guys. And if it's not working for you, then you may have to check your SIM card, or even you need to go to the Play Store and search for WhatsApp and make sure that you have the latest version. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.